Why a true master is required for this spiritual knowledge?
That is, without spiritual master, we have nothing to see. God we can't see. That is very far from here. And within us also we cannot see. So there must be some in front of us, something. To whom we pray? God. Where is He? He is in the form of the spiritual master. Suppose when we are praying this, to whom? God. Where is He? He is in spiritual master. Because the super being never come here. And He comes all and everything will be learned. And the God is within ourselves is not come out. It is speaking, but it is, of course, is there to realize it. So spiritual master is in shape of the human, and he is a God. So first of all, we pray to him. Our target master to whom we are praying. You are Guru, you are Sabda, you are all and everything. You are do this and that, surrender like that. Hello?
Yes, getting so.
This is the reason that we should have some seed to whom we pray. Who is He? Where is He? So He is in the form of the spiritual master. And spiritual master will give all the knowledge. He gives that God does not come here. Super being not come here. And in your service will not come in front of us. So in this, when we see the picture, the Samne is spiritual master. And he will explain us. Okay, you are the God. God is in you. And He is there. And that is very far. And you are He is a part. Super being is part, you. So you are God. You have power of godly power in your thought, in your spirit, in your idea, all and everything. And you are. So we pray. Take him as a ideal. Ideal means East. He is so dear to all. Ideal means dear to all. To God. Where is He? In the shape of the spiritual master. For all the work master is needed. So it's a high knowledge. How we know about the spiritual master? How we know? So that is necessary, and we should, if there is no God, you make one. This is God. To whom? One man. Which one? He know about the theory of your God and the reality of your God. He will teach. So that is why he is a man who shows. Then we realize otherwise not. If spiritual master not explain us the thing, we won't see anything. If mother do not teach us, this is father, this is mother, this is spawn, this is that, then we won't seek it. We don't know what it. Mother say, this is spawn. Spawn, not spawn. Spawn. Again, the mother teaching, to speaking. If the mother does not give us this knowledge, and so you seek for the very high knowledge, super knowledge. How we get without master? Master is necessary. And who is master? He among us. What is in He? God. God is in everybody. And this knowledge that we are going to give the world. You people will give this. Whatever previously happened, that's all right. It was according to the time. No, man is very intelligent, understand all and everything. So do one thing, you get this knowledge. And what is that? It is the super being, is all everywhere, all over. In the humility, religion of humility. It is not individual. It is religion of the humility for all. And one. There is no 2, 3, 4. That is one. And one is, Muhammad say, La ilaha illallah. There is nothing, anything except Allah. Hindu say, Ekko Brahmdute Nasti. He is one, or other is destroyable. He is one. So here you open your eye, whatever you see, all are the illusion. They are not reality. They are not. Everything will destroy one day. These all their body also, and our faces all buried in there. So what will be alive? What cannot be destroyed? The thing which is speaking in us. And that is qualifies God. Everything will destroy, but God is not destroyed. So you are not destroyable. You have qualification of the God, super being. Your qualification what? Super being. What is speaking in you is never destroyed. It is always here and there, always. From see, suppose you go from this world, then the spirit is go, and it never die. Is like mixed to the God. Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir. The next question is, what a true master does. True master gives us understanding, samajh, wisdom, vivek, experience, anubhav, and knowledge. Please.
This all come through perfect master, true master. These all thinking, knowledge, experience, and wisdom, all and everything. Yes.
Why we require guidance of a true master for meditation? When we do meditation,
suppose you want to know, sir, I want to see the God face to face. Then true master tells us the method and how to get, how to sit. There is so many type of sitting. It is named also, and so which is easiest to you. No previous it was this sitting, this taking like this, like this. So many type. But true master think what type of you. So no true master so settled that in position you can sit easily for long time. In position you sit in the position which you can stay long time easily, easy to you. Previously this and that, and the qualification is in the Kali Yuga. Though it is this time you sit in such a position so that you can sit a long time easily. That's fair. How to? Some say that you see like that. True master says, oh, according to your ease. Some say, sir, there is no place in my house. There are children, so they talk loudly, this and that. Then you do one thing, you go separate room, and for your meditation, and close your ear, so you don't listen the voice of the outside noise, and so you shut your eyes. You don't see the sight of the other side, and you shut your mouth. And I never get the chance. Where was I? In the jungle, in the pahad, where this thing is, and I need not for that. I am sitting here easy, and going everywhere. And she has a facility, so you sit. I to tell you how to sit. There is space pillow here, and here also pillow, so that this is not trouble. It's like this. I show you, because she has facility. She can sit. So any position in which you can sit sitting, then she says what to. Some say the name. Some say the name. Rama, Krishna. Masiya, like that, or something, repetition of the name. But that is not all. True master see the nature of the man, education of man, understanding of man, according to that he will tell. You concentrate on the target, your face of your spiritual master. The God is for you. So seeing that, you will get two things. One is the radiation come from him, so you see his face. Second is when he speaks, you understand his speech. You concentrate. I like that. So whatever is in him automatically induces in you. Secondly, what he knowledge want to give, you will listen and understand. And at the same time, you concentrate. Or meditation is there. So in this way, he see. The first stage, previously he stops. Before starting, he tells that you concentrate here, and here at last 1 day, 2 days, 3 months or weeks or 20 years. When you see here the yellow color and turn, as the ring in the churches or in the temple. क्या कहते हैं घंटी को क्या कहते हैं? Bell. So understand that this is the problem. I meditated. I successfully meditated. What happened? Your willpower will increase. whatever you will think will get very soon. As a trot, she is there. So your power is such a power, godly power. Godly power is you, or you can do. So this is first position, rising God. Then second, if you get all and everything of the worldly thing, you are satisfied here. You concentrate, then you have willpower. Whatever you want house really, children really. Whatever you want, car, good car. What kind of car you want? And whatever you want in this world, so everything will come. I told you, where there demand, there is supply. Jithe chav thera. Where there is demand, there is supplied. All whatever you want, because your wish is very much power. You have very much power, so whatever you want, you will get. So this second, first this place is, you see, this like this. And this place is here it is a place of the knowledge. What kind of knowledge you want, so you will get. So this is not one day job. He gives first, if you complete 20 days, if you complete 5 years, how slowly. And he will see your condition. If you maintain the brahmacharya, then you do. If you do not maintain the brahmacharya, your balance will be... Celibacy is very necessary. So if celibacy is not you desire, then there is a vacant. And if you meditate, you will get trouble. So first you will tell the condition. Are you maintaining celibacy? Say yes. How long? 5 years, sir. Yeah, 2 years, sir. And that depends upon you. In a Kali Yuga, previously it was very necessary. So go blindly. In Kali Yuga, no, don't bother. You live husband and wife both. That is for both. If wife maintains, wife will power this and that, all everything, husband is his own. So cooperate both. I think so that it is very difficult to that is the control. So what to do? First they make, all right, we shall know it 1 week. Yeah, 1 month. When she is course, at that time finishing the course, after that 1 or 2 days, children is saying, whatever children you want. And then you, 3 months. Later on, when you have children, you say, why we are wasting this time? Don't mutual understanding. We should have power, that is why you lost. So, what to do? We test 1 day, what for 1 year. Long time. And after that, you don't want that. Slowly, mutually, slowly, not quick. And not turn from the house. And not be, if your wife want, not deny. But yes, I am ready for you, I am for you. If your husband wants this thing, well, said, if you want, yes, I shall serve body what you sing. And there must be cooperation. And when you both cooperate and understand at that time, maintain fully. People say it is impossible. Yes, impossible, but nothing possible. Napoleon said there is no word impossible in my dictionary. So impossible, nothing is impossible. If they want a desire for realization of God, then both cooperate and like this. Not to run away, not to make angry to your for not be angry. Cooperation, mutually understanding is this. And slowly. And when you are fit for that, and no hurry, no worry. Not hurry. Automatically, whatever desire, automatically you will get. Alone cannot go. So in this period, the sun says you alone don't try, you go. You not success. You take your partner with you. If suppose she has no test, does not matter. But not to make her angry. Never make angry. Cooperate with. If she says no, I interested, okay. But you see, you are losing your power. Last time you will not balance beautifully. Your balance of mind will spoil. Yes. So this is the way, in this Kali Yuga. In this, so the perfect master says, and make you understand. And she says this instruction. God will not come to you, God is in you, but the knowledge will be given by perfect master. He will say like that.
Yes, getting.
Is it enough? Or
Yes,
you want
enough,
more?
enough. Maharaji, if a seeker starts meditation and got stuck at a point like say here on Sun, so how Guru help him to go ahead next?
To explain him, this is not your destination. Where you want to go to permanent peace, that place is little up. That is not this place. He explained him. This place is not. Here you come here. This is first stage. And if you are here, and here in light, then say here is not. You go up. The door is a little further. The door of the your full salvation, full peace is further. The God is further. What you may say, and you instruct him to go up. He says it's impossible. Don't bother.
Yes.
Better you stay when you are able to go there. When you desire slowly, it need not to power. It is very slow, simple thing, natural. So when you have desire, slowly you will kiss from here to up to here. Suppose you come here and here see so many things that was very dear to you in the Agam Lok. Then you are stay there. Then this perfect master tell him, destination is not here. Little up. You go. You are in the market, good market. You stay to see scenery, this and that. Give them. That is not explainable, but there is something. Then you go up. This is the Agam Purus. The Agam Purus station say, you go at the
destination.
Yeah.
Anami.
Here when you go, there is no voice of internal listening you, and there is the thing which is saying that. Both alive. Both this Sabad and Surat, both are destroyed. Shant. It means, see, the
sound merging.
Sound is this Sabad is something.
Spirit merging sound.
Merging. The spirit merging this
sound.
And that is God. It means that there is nothing and thing, calm, 100% peace, all everything. Nature. Yes.
Yes. What is the relationship between true master and disciple? Guru Shishya Sambandh.
Yes. That is relation, very, very good relation. Guru, without Guru, we won't get knowledge. And without Shishya, who will take it? Without Shishya, who will take? Both are necessary. Difficult things mean that there is Guru, the master is necessary. If there is no master, who will teach us? But if there is no student to whom you will teach, both are necessary. Both are necessary, Guru Shishya. So say Guru Shishya व्यवहार जगत में झूठा बरत रहा, कासे कहूँ समझ नहीं काहू धोखेदार बरा. Guru तो मान प्रतिष्ठा चाहे, respect risk, and चेला स्वार्थ संग मिले, with personal interest. सच्चा मार्ग सुरत शब्द का सब गुप्त है. Sacha arts, the true path is the Surat and Sabad. Sacha root. And that is Gupta. तो गुरु चेला व्यवहार जगत में झूठा बरता है, झूठी है. क्यों गुरु तो चाहता I am you expect me this and that. And something bring you something. And the chela what want?
Disciple.
Disciple what want? Some test that he abolished me, so I should get this thing, that thing. He said it is a tie. It is not true. So what is the true thing for which Guru and Shishya are? सच्चा मार्ग सुरत शब्द का. अगर गुरु do not tell him the real path for that place, then how do you tell her to go? सच्चा मार्ग सुरत शब्द का. A true path is surat and
sound and spirit.
Sound and spirit. So he will tell this and they go there. सच्चा मार्ग सुरत शब्द का सब गुप्त भया. Yes, he say relation this and they are doing something. Guru will say personal interest, Shila personal interest. It needs not interest both.
Are you getting? He is saying that seeker and guide both are having personal interest. They don't. The master don't tell the real path. Sound and the spirit, they have personal interest. So that's why this is the condition.
True path to go there to reach the destination is Surat and Sabad.
sound
and speech.
spirit.
Both. So that is Gupta. It means that it is not
Secret.
told in there. Simply other thing is this and the yoga, this and this. That thing is necessary. Sacha Marg, true path is Surat, isme sound and the speech. So Gupta, so is not
They don't tell.
Or some do the pretend sit simply for that thing and sitting and they go in yoga nindra. They go in the yoga sleep. Yoga. But he was sitting for the yoga and get a good sleep. And I got tired. 1 hour, 2 hour, and
2.5 hours.
30 minutes he stayed there in deep sleep. Not realize anything. When he realizing something, then that is it. I ask, what do you think? Oh, so Anand, enjoy, very Anand. What type of? You tell me something. But says there is nothing. I understood that he go in the deep sleep daily, not realize that. Two things. When you meditate, two things should be in front of you. Either this face of the Guru, photo of Guru, that is it. You correct there. And if you go further, light, white light, very pleasing light. And third thing, sound, internal, sweet sound, and that comes from here. If you see 2-3 things in front of you, then you are meditating, otherwise not. Otherwise sleeping. There must be 2-3 things present, either the photo of the Guru or white red light and sound. And sound we cannot define for it. We cannot write on the paper and we cannot see, we cannot touch. That is thing of realizing. How to realize? Yesterday I told you the story of the Jagadari. Jagadari, you know?
Jaggery.
Yes. Jagadari. I eating, what are you? Very sweet. What kind of, whatever kind of, that is sweet. Like sugar? No. Like
Honey.
Honey, this and that, other thing. No. Then how to realize you? One small bit of the Jagadari and give you. You realize. This is realization.
Taste. You taste yourself, then you will realize. You cannot express this.
It is them. So, what was the question?
Yeah. What is the qualification of a true master? True master कौन है? सुर शब्द से नहीं.
True master qualification, master is Guru वही जो शब्द से नहीं, शब्द बिना दूसर नहीं सही, शब्द कबावे वो गुरु पूरा, उन चरण की बन जा दूरा. True master is the lover of the sound. Always realize the sound in that. Guru वही जो शब्द से, शब्द बिना दूसर, other thing he will not do it. Only शब्द. True master is शब्द से नहीं, love with this sound, attached with this sound, interest only for sound, realize on the sound. Okay, फिर क्या था गुरु शब्द से, शब्द बिना दूसरे, without that thing, you don't obey anything, don't bow anything. शब्द से ही, शब्द बिना दूसरे से, शब्द कमावे वो गुरु पूरा. Though the master who realizes शब्द, practice the शब्द in self, that is Guru Pura, that is complete Guru. That is a complete Guru. शब्द कमावो गुरु पूरा, उन चरण की बन जा दूरा. Bow to him. शिष्य, you become पक्का disciple for him. True. उन चरण की बन जा दूरा. शब्द भेद लेकर तुम उनसे, you ask himself, tell me secret of this. Secret, what is that in this and that? शब्द भेद लेकर तुम शब्द कमाओ तुम तन मन से. Then you go and try always realize the शब्द practice. You do the practice of the शब्द. ये और बोलो.
And what is the qualification of disciple? नाम का अधिकारी कौन है?
Oh my God. No, he come to the God. What is who are right for the name? Or are not qualified for name? So he say there is two things. One is the name. So name, where is the name? Name is not here. Name is only after fourth stage. There are fourth stage. So after the fourth stage, first stage is concentrate here. I told you on the Guru face or something like that. What you would here. In that you become unconscious from your body all. All the spirit come here, correct here. It means that is what position. If there is some insect on this, no, fly touch karta hai, so karta nahi. So you don't realize it because it is senseless all up to here. So we remove from the body, we out of body, and spirit. Out of body you realize the face, shape of the Guru, photo of the Guru. Photo of Guru is in front of you and you forget about it. First stage. You clear the first stage. Second is, this photo will say, this will talk, and you see here a different type of the photos in the sky. So many new things you see that is your mandal of the mind's mandal. Only mind is the area. You are not beyond mind. There is no spiritualism there. Only minds and power has come to you. Because mind concentrate, you have power. So that is mind's area. So when you see the picture, this and that, photo of the Gurus like that, all whatever you look, picture, car, this and that, all thing, then you are in the area of the mind. Area of the mind. You lift the ground of your body,
physical body.
You enter in the area of the mind. So you see all this and that. Then the perfect master say, where you are, sir, I see so many things. Guruji is always with me, in front of me, this and that, and you be happy. I say, okay. So then the perfect master will explain you. Okay, this is your men's mandal, men's area. Here is no realization. Your destination is further. Go aage.
Go ahead.
Advance. So this is not true. This is you are realizing it. It is not true. What your already impression, suggestion, fallen on your subconscious mind, that is developing, you saw the picture, this and that. That is not. So go further. Advance. Aage. In aage chalo. Then you try to go aage. You courses from here to up, here. Aage means three places of the light and sound. Light, not sound, light. You go there, light is white light, small, ज़्यादा heavy, more, and there is a market of the light and playing the Hans, playing the surte, spirit there, different type of spirit. This is what they not understand. If you don't understand right of this book, then who will understand? Ratna Dekha. Because all faith is mine. I will not tie any faith, but all are mine. Because all are better in their places. Here he say, Ratna Ved. What is this creation? How is this going on? This and that and that. And from where these talking things start? Where you start and where to go? From where do you start? Slowly slow down. So first he said, सबके आदि कहूँ स्वामी अकय अपार अगाध नामी. Sar of the all will save my Lord. That is akay, cannot be said. Apar, cannot measure it far. I don't know where. And apar agay, agad, I don't measure the deep, how deep it is. I cannot measure it about it. Akay apar agad. And last Anami, there is no name for him. There is no name of the God, and all God is, all name is he. आगे फिर कहता है तिन से अगम लोक प्रटय. From this stage, agam is a position, agam stage. Agam ये लोक you can say. अगम लोक प्रगटाया, अगम लोक में आसन लाया. तो इससे अकय पार यहाँ तक तो इधर से इधर अकय पार अगाध है, और यहाँ से तो चला तो इधर आ गया. इधर क्या चला? अगम लोक. देयर इज लैंड, life is there, Surat is there, and Saudi is there, and they are playing like that. But we cannot realize it. This is here. This is a kingdom of that Agamlok. And from there, अलग पुरुष का हुआ उजाला. इधर चिल्ड्रन, छोटा होता है ना, टिप करता है. यहाँ पर आगे देखते अलग पुरुष का होया उजाला, और अलग पुरुष में चौकी डाला. वहाँ ही डाल पुट कैंप देयर एंड स्टे देयर. एंड फ्रॉम देयर तीन से अगम पुरुष प्रगटाया, अगम लोक में चौकी डाला. नहीं तो यू रीड इट. थर्ड लैंड.
Maharaj is telling the secret how the spirit separated from God and how it comes down, and then how it go back. He is telling the way. अलख पुरुष का हुआ उजाला, अलख लोग उन चौकी डाला.
Here he camp, his stay, his kingdom. अलग पुरुष, here also some kingdom, some type of the people, सुर को क्या, spirit is there is playing this and that all.
फिर सतनाम पुरुष सत सोई, सत 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 जहाँ रचना होई.
From here Sat Purush is there, Satnam. Sat, there true. Whatever the creation is, that is true. That is never destroy. That is destroyable, not destroyable.
सतलोक वह धाम सुहेला, हंस करे वहाँ अचरज केला.
Such a place that is very beautiful. And वहाँ पर the only spirit is playing there, and they are play all the game.
इन लोकन की महिमा भारी, कहूँ कहाँ अद्भुत विस्तारी.
These countries, these states, this land is very beautiful. And I cannot relate their actuality. I cannot say what they are. I cannot say from my tongue, but that is very nice.
सहस 88 दीप निवासा, हंस करे जहाँ सदा विलासा.
वहाँ पर हजारों वहाँ पर लोग है, हजारों लैंड है. The spirit are playing there and always happy. And that light is there. They play the light. Their dress is light. Their diet is light. And their all and everything light. And वहाँ पर they are play and be happy. It is called the heaven. Heaven is here. So previously people understood that this is heaven. Oh God, send me heaven, not to give hell. यहाँ पर always happiness. Yeah, never never any bitter thing. Always smell, looking. All these things is very beautiful. And always. So this is called the heaven. This place. This is the country of the light. All and everything light. Suppose their hand come down.
इन लोकन की महिमा भारी, कहूँ कहाँ अद्भुत विस्तारी.
It is very beautiful thing. What that is not reliable, can realizable. You can realize. You see and realize. I cannot describe by tongue and this and that and by writing.
सुख का धाम सदा सुख जहाँ, दुख क्लेश का नाम न वहाँ.
Happiness is all. Is unhappiness here? No word unhappiness. Happiness, laughing, happiness, smiling, laughing, खुशी. Yes.
नई नई लीला सदा आनंद, हंस करे नित परमानंद.
New play. New play and new क्या चीज़ है?
हंस करे नित परमानंद.
Happiness.
Pleasure.
pleasure. Yes. The next.
अमी आहार भोग प्रचंड सच खंड वह धाम अखंड.
Ahar means diet is there. I mean Amrit. जाने बाद में मरता नहीं बाद में. अरे हर अमृत.
अमी आहार भोग प्रचंड.
हाँ.
सचखंड वह धाम अखंड.
हाँ. सत्संग वह धाम अखंड.
Immortal.
That never destroy. It is always. I told you this speaking is never destroy or everything destroy. So that place is never destroyable. Always there.
वहाँ से भवर गुफा रच डाली सोहम पुरुष नाम कह बाकी.
वहाँ से भंवर गुफा डोन लिटिल सतना वहाँ पर क्या धाम हो.
सोहम पुरुष.
सोहम इट विल लाइट. मैं वही हूँ. यस.
महासुन एक रचा ठिकाना दीप अचिंत महामैदाना.
ये आ गया यहाँ पर. ये महासुन आ गया. It means that nothing is there. Mahamadhan and there is nothing. It means your mind don't work there. You are asleep, there is asleep. Mind don't work here. लापरवाही. और आगे चलिए.
तिसके नीचे सुन विलास अक्सर दीप रकार प्रकाश.
उसके नीचे ये जगह नहीं. इससे ये माथा इधर. इससे नीचे.
इसके नीचे सुन विलास.
यहाँ मतलब suppose that you have taken 2 peg of the whiskey, so nasa happy, you are happy, but not fall. So always hence I always laughing, happy and careless, and invite everybody, come here please, sit down here, this and that, happy.
वहाँ से रचा त्रिकुटी धाम ओमकार का जहाँ विश्राम.
वहाँ से this place is Trikuti. यहाँ what is the idea come in your mind. You stay and play for some time with the idea, this and this, I shall do this, and after that you forget it. That is
वेद कतेब का यही मुकाम त्रिलोकी का कारण धाम.
Those so many books are written, those who stay here. वेद किताब बाइबल वगैरह गीता जो ग्रंथ जो बुक्स हैं, those who stay here, right. My example. I never think about the same thing. I took the pen and think, write the book. I don't know. No, I read what I write it. How? So I understood how. The idea, the suspend is always in this here, in the vacuum. And those who concentrate this place, then the idea comes. Suppose the education, you got to go for education, and you are this, your brahmacharya, your shall we say maintain, and you concentrate here, you understand. The master, the lecturer speak whatever, you write out of 100, 91, 95, 90, 96, 7, 8, concentrate. And those the boys not care, some number. So this is concentration of place, and what you want the knowledge, so you will get it. This worldly or saintly, whatever need, up or there.
झंझर दीप की रचन रचाई निर्गुण काल की जह ठुकराई.
यहाँ पर भी also there is एक land, एक country, and there is some life is there.
गुण तीनों.
But that life, no, this body, this is nothing. Body nothing. Body time will come.
गुण तीनों यहाँ से उत्पाने ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कहाने.
3 गुण सतो रजो तमो यहीं से पुराने. In 3 type of the ideas come here. Produce here.
जन्मे मरे जीव 84 काल निरंजन डाली फांसी.
उसके आगे आफ्टर दैट the men प्रकट 3 खान चौपट रचा नहीं है क्या इसमें?
आगे आएगा जो तो.
हाँ बोलिए.
यहाँ से सरगुण रचा पसारा 4 खान उत्पत्ति विस्तारा.
There are 2. One is सगुण and body is this and that. निर्गुण means nothing. So इससे आप there is nothing, nobody this and that. So only safe is there. simply. As you see in the dream, like that. The picture is there, the man is there, you are talking there, and after that, there is nothing. Like that. And don't it, the जीव जो है प्रकट होता है कैसे, सब अंडे से पैदा होगा, जेर से झिल्ली से आदमी जैसा पैदा होता है, अंडा जेरज सेहत दूध बीजी, 4 खान चौपड़ जग रची, 4 खान से रचा, फिर वहाँ जाता है, जीता मरता पड़ता रहता फिर जाता है. तो हम इस चौथी स्टेज पर आइए यहाँ पर. आखिर
fourth stage आ गई. Are you getting? He says that how creatures come on this earth by egg, and by jair means like man, and by sweat, पसीने से पैदा होते हैं जो, by sweat. Some insects come here by sweat, and by heat, गर्मी से पैदा होते हैं, like in rainy season. There are 4 ways how the creatures take birth here.
Do you understand? The jeev, no. The life which is from the sweet in this body is supposed small terra is there. तो sweet is पसीना जो निकलता है अंदर से, उससे वो धुआं पैदा होती हैं वो.
Small insects in the hairs, they have life because of sweat. They come here because of sweat. So there are 4 ways how the life comes here. First by egg, like birds, and second by jair, means like men and animals, and third like sweat, from sweat. If we have sweat in head and don't wash hairs, here will small insects. So by sweat and they come.
That is sweat.
And the last is by heat, like in rainy season many insects, many flies grow up. That is because of heat.
And in the land also, in land some cases,
yes. In clay they grow by heat. In clay they come.
So 4 खान जो है खाने से पैदा होता है, और वो क्या करता है, जीता मरता आता जाता इधर से निकल नहीं सकता.
जन्मे मरे जीव 84, काल निरंजन डाली फांसी.
काल ने फांसी डाल रखी, जन्मेगा मरेगा खेलेगा, फिर वो चला जाएगा, फिर मरेगा, फिर आ जाएगा, फिर आ जाएगा.
They will die, they will again rebirth, die rebirth, die rebirth. They will be in this cycle.
So the result is, if he come in the man's shape, that is a great thing. He can go up, only man. If not the cow, not the buffalo, not the elephant, not the ant, anything. No. The jalminge maringe, not the hair, hiran vagara, not the lion, nothing. Only man. Man, if you want to go up to original place, to God, he can go. Man has such power, because God is in man. Only human being. So human being is a very, very welcome and very respectable thing. या जो लड़ी मिलती नहीं किसी को. It is very luck then he become a man. We have such a power. If we want to go, we go forever, and we go there. Not come in this jalmo, maro, paida, no, birth, rebirth, no, direct. So you have such a power. You have such a power in you. If you desire to go back and never come here in this land, you can go. This is qualification. This you are.
Are you getting?
You have this power.
You say that.
And for this,
yes.
You need the perfect master who give you way, this and that, teach this for this. This lecture is for that thing, to make you understand that you are not ordinary thing. You are God here, and you have such a power. If you want to return to your original place, original home, you can go. Other means not go. If you don't want to go, come here, easy. Chakkar. If you don't want to go, you stay here, play. What game you want to play? To be a wealthy man, you will be a wealthy man. To want a great man, great man. To want to be a Rashtrapati, you will be a Rashtrapati. Whatever you want. And when you do something wrong, automatically punishment is there, all come. And punishment is there, like that. So this is thing. If you want to go back, suppose that playing this whole game, you tired. And if you want to go back, oh, God bless me so that I go and meet to you forever. And desire. And such a desire in you, the perfect master automatically will come. He is here, he is under us. So some perfect master come and he tell you, the easy thing I shall tell you. You do this thing and you go. So he tell you the rules of to go up or back. And that is satsang. The aim thing, the mukhya, the chief thing is that. And other, whatever you want, you will be. If you want to be a wealthy man, you think for the wealth. Oh God bless me with wealth, wealth will jayega. Oh God bless me with health, health will jayegi. Oh God bless me with the son and daughter, this and that. Whatever you want, that is power in you. So the God is in you, and you have godly power in your thought, in your idea, in your thinking. So whatever you sow, so shall you reap. So mean having thinking. You think idea. You suppose thinking like that. So things is two, three. One is from the mouth, and other is by. When you are angry with somebody, you keep what he did these things, he made this thing, and that will radiate and go up. And from there they are turning your luck and come back. Evil thinking. Result of evil thinking, I told you. Result of the positive thinking, you whatever you want, come according to your mind, and you will be happy. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck is the result of the positive thinking. Bad luck is result of the negative thinking. So always be a positive thinking. Positive thinker is good than better. Whatever he wants, he will get. Understood? So I want to tell you about the man and God. And you come for that purpose. That. So today I am talking you. After the, okay.
Yes, Vishayan se jo hoy udasa. Wanted to. Qualification of disciple. Vishayan se jo hoy udasa.
Yes. Yeah, name. So I told you that if you leave your body and come up, then you are out of body, first stage. Then second stage, you are seeing the so many pictures, so many guru picture or other thing, then this perfect master will say that you are making this thing. I don't come there. You yourself make me. And all thing you are making. He tells the reality. But this thing is not told here. Because Guru there, if he told this, the truth, that I do not come, who go to him? Who come to me? No, all the men of the world want the reality. Clear. This is reality. That's as I am telling to you in this way. So you need not to say this Mahavra and this Duha and no.
No poetry.
No question. You do this thing.
Okay.
Clearly. Never say any Mahavra, never say, why you are saying that? Why you go there? Oh, that is not necessary. The thing necessary is what is the reality, what is truth, tell clearly.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes, getting.
Yeah,
it's complete. Any questions you have?
Have any question you ask me. Mr. Michael,
yes.
For you I am doing. This is the gentleman is safety witness for see that. He know it all everything for you. The first Kabir did it, Guru Nanak did it, Pattu, Dadu and Ravi, those who Surper, they tell truth. And know the when the fakirs come first man. So he opened the secret door open. He removed the secrecy all. Directly he said. What he gets. The people say, you came sir and you helped me this and that. He said, by God I not come. I did not come. So who come? You yourself produce me. You believe in me, so you produce. I have no knowledge of it. This is directly. And if the Ashram Guru says this thing, their interest is not completed. They want money, respect and regard. And they want respect and regard. They do not make their ashram for this, tell the reality. They are open to collect money and get respect and regard. And fakir come to tell truth. And same thing told me. that Captain, listen, whatever you get, you tell the people truth. If you want to tell the truth, then that's all. If you do something wrong, you see, he will punish you. He told me, okay, sir. That is why I am telling. And very happy. Happy, I am not, oh, how old I am old. My son, Bapuji, your father, you so old, why are you going there? You take rest here, totally rest. You need not to go, yes, son, what to do? This is very compulsory thing for me. I have to do. I come to do this, that, like that. It is not in my power. Something else is compelling me to go and do this. And I come like that. So that is why I am telling you reality. What reality is, only power in you and your in thought, in your thinking. No guru can show you the path, true path if he knows it. Only, bas. And confirm. They say, yes. You say he is right, yes, yes, you are right.
One question, Maharaji.
Yeah.
India has so many great saints. Modern saints like Ramakrishna, like Ramana Maharishi, old saints like Shankara, like Patanjali. Is Sant Mat something different, what these saints were teaching, or is it all coming to the same result?
Yes.
Michael is saying that there were lot of saints in the old age in India. Are they connected to Sant Mat or they have different opinion?
At that time, the people living and hearing them, they was good for them. Their understanding was that. At that time. In this time, the people are different type. Humanity different type. People are very simple. They have no knowledge at all. They said this is statue, this is God, this is Devi Maya, and you pray it, you get all everything. Blind faith. You see the temple, their statue, this Rama, Krishna, ye, wo, they are statue. And nowadays, if the men have knowledge about it, say this is made of stone. This can, how can you get this? They say like no life. Today's man advance. So the man of today is not that something is cancelled all. That birth is cancelled. That is nothing like a child. Child's play. And no, the maturity is low up in the people. So they want the things. So in this time, that sant is not respected. They did not tell the truth. And I say that they have no idea what is truth to tell. They not knowledge. So what knowledge they have, they told. What will they learn, so is they told. Suppose a boy is study up to 10th class. So he can guide up to 10th class. He cannot read the higher classes or colleges. So how education they get, they told that is right. That is not wrong. It was there. No, in this time they are not needed. They are all bogus things. Man advance very far. Man is so wise as create and fly this and that and new thing is in man operation and this and that. Advance in the knowledge. So man is here, God, because God is in man. So he doing God's work, no. No, it is for you thing. These are all, you forget that. You forget all. You are intelligent man, you know all everything, understand all everything. And it was a olden time. So you have got such a old ideas and that is in your mind. So try better to forget it. That all was their knowledge. That was not knowledge. Knowledge, what you accept, know. What you say, what is this, that is this. And your conscience alone, that is right. If you prove that. So today's perfect master is the man who make you satisfy. Who make you satisfy whatever you want, and he will say with the proof. Proof is this one, that. That is not. And yet, look, the copy of the old religion. Copy of old religion. Suppose the Guru's chef was concentrate and see the Guru's photo. He said, Guruji told this and that and that. So this Guru say, oh, yes, Lord Speaker, Guruji come and that. They want to confirm from other, so that other believe. They are deceiving the people. For that they will get punishment. You see, is it duty the Guru to put in the cage? Guru
In the
go in
jail.
cage because they deceive the people, or God punish them, or they do not understand it. Today's man not real faith. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Otherwise not believing. Today's men want to see. And they Ramakrishna Panth. So many Panth are there like that, all bogus. So today whatever said, that is about the Sant I told you presently. But previously not so clear. Kabir, Nanak, Dadu, Pattu and other Radha Swami not tell clear thing. This sacred rakha.
They kept the curtain. Curtain.
Or the Fakir Sanji first in this world. I am not first praise to the Fakir. The Fakir came first, who told you the reality. He Guru advised also, Fakir, I am going to die, and after me you do one thing. You tell the truth. You change the knowledge, the way of the knowledge, style of knowledge. You do not follow my knowledge. My knowledge people will not accept. Tata told him.
Yes.
Like that. Written is there.
Sivrat Lalji.
So today is something else. Now is the time of the intelligence, Vigyan and this. So according to that, the knowledge is this, what I am telling to you. That you see, if it is right, then that right, otherwise not. I forget about the English and other thing, some mostly. But for you, automatically remember somebody, this and that, and try to tell you. And that is other man is clear here with me. He will clear it. If I don't understand, he will tell me. And you don't understand, oh, my voice is because I have no teeth. So, go. And the word is not clear.
Yes.
So that is why I want to witness man how to explain me this. I understood this. What you say, that all understood. But to make clear to the other, I call him. So that he will be recorded. Any doubt?
He is saying that all the teachers, when they came, were okay at that time. But they will not guide you in this modern time. They were gone. The living master will guide you. So you forget all about them.
And I am clear. You forget that. Then you will get my knowledge. If you don't forget that, this is mix.
Yes. But we in the West, we not understand one thing. In the Sant Mat, there are different stages how to go up. And for example, I read the books of Ramana and other saints, modern saints. They lived 100 years before. But these people must, for example, have reached the first stage, Trikuti, for example. But they not tell about Trikuti. They tell about how to dissolve in God, how many spiritual things, that God is in us, all these things. But they not even talk about Trikuti. They not talk about sound. In old scriptures like Patanjali, there is talk about sound, maybe the first stages. But why, or Ramakrishna and these people, why they not tell about sound? Even it's in the beginning, the sound, you know? They tell about light, everybody, but not sound. Why is this? They just not want to tell, or they have not the experience. That we in the West not understand. Yes.
He is saying that very old saints or very old teachers did not talk about sound. They only talk about light. And now you talk about sound, these sweet sound and many sounds. So why they kept that secret?
This is not sacred. There are two ways to reach there. The older people have a good character, maintain celibacy, so they can rise the light. And this time people have no celibacy at all. The saints of this time change other way. So many things. What? Do not leave the house. Live in that. Do your duty. Don't go away. Doing duty, working all over, you will realize. By the knowledge, you are doing all and theory, and you are mukta. Knowledge knows everything. Knowledge is a great thing. Or anything.
Anything else you want to know?
The olden time, if you want this knowledge, the olden time is out of order, date over. The thing is date over. The medicine date over. The whole the time is date over. That is not necessary.